Newton's first law states that an object shall remain in a state of either uniform motion or rest in a straight line unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Such can be demonstrated within this next short clip. Trolley was originally in a state of uniform rest until the force of gravity acted upon it. Gravity within this situation is an unbalanced force that removes the trolley from a uniform rest. Aircraft has balanced lift and drag and moves at a constant acceleration. Said application was derived from this first law. Likewise, an increase in thrust will send the plane upwards whilst a decrease will send it downwards. Newton's second law stated that force is equivalent and proportional to mass multiplied by acceleration.
When the force on one side's more than the other side, F is ma. If the speed seems to change in an up or down way, F is ma.
Here we have a young wizard who is on his way to Hogwarts and henceforth attempting to reach platform 9 3/4. This wizard, however, is not at King's Cross Station, but instead at the science laboratories. He attempted to enter the platform twice. The first time he moved rather slowly and henceforth wasn't subject to a force in which would damage him too greatly. The second time, however, he was moving much faster and henceforth was subject to more force in which damaged him more greatly. This law has resulted in the creation of lighter race cars. This is as when force remains constant and mass decreases, acceleration must increase. Such can be seen within the contrast between the acceleration of these two portrayed vehicles. The first one has a mass of 30 kilograms and hence moves at 10 centimeters per second squared at 300 newtons, whilst the second car has a mass of 10 kilograms and hence moves at 30 centimeters per second squared. Newton's third law states that for every action there exists an equal and opposite reaction. Such can be expressed within this following short clip in which it depicts Jason tackling Toufic. As was seen within the video, after Jason tackled Toufic, Toufic moved backwards. Such was shown to a greater degree through the increase of acceleration and thus increased force, which in turn highlighted the opposite reaction. The notion of equal and opposite has impacted most greatly within the space field, where scientists must take into consideration that any slight propulsion from a spacecraft may send it off course.